Hi and welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Well, in this video today we will see how to install VMware in your Windows machine. Okay, well, unlike other software that's main work is providing specific services to the user, similar to this, VMware is a piece of software that provides specific kind of services to his or her clients. In this in this video, we will discuss about what is VMware and why it is popular and how to set up in a Windows PC. Yeah, I will also share you how to install VMware in your Linux PC, but in this video we will see only for Windows because majority of people are using Windows as a daily driver. So first of all, what is VMware? Okay. Well, simply speaking, VMware is a virtualization software that helps to run multiple guest operating systems at the same time. It uses your physical machine's hardware to provide the best experience and feel. Speaking about the history of the VMware, it was acquired before EMC Corporations, but currently it is acquired by DELL Technology since 2014. And it is mainly provides services to the enterprises and various kinds of services such as virtualizations and cloud computing. Okay, so you to download that VMware, just go to my website and there you will see this download option. Just click on here, then after you will directly redirect to the download page of this website. Here you need to select which one you want to download, which operating system. It's for Windows. If you have to click on download. If you are in Linux, then just click on this download option. So it will be hardly take 584 MB. After that, go to your local folder. So mine I already downloaded, so I have pasted inside my Windows R folder, and here it is, VMware there. Okay, so to install, step 1, right click on here, open as run as administrator and click on yes. So mine is loading slowly, so it will take some time to load. Yeah, it came. I'm clicking on yes. So here it is. I have downloaded VMware Workstation Player 16, and it's some initializing steps that is going on here. So after that, let's wait for this. Here it came the welcome wizard. Just click on this next button and click this accept. You can read this license and agreement if you agree. I'm agree already, so I'm clicking on next. And here where you want to select your path to install the VMware. So by default currently it is in C drive. If you want to change any other drive, you can click on this change icon, and here is a folder icon you will see. And see this, you can, for going one step back, you have to click on this like this. I want to say, sorry, this is for creating a folder. I don't want a folder, so I am going to external. Inside external I have in a box, a folder is called VirtualWorks. I will install there. Then I'm clicking on OK. You can install this driver. It's required. If you want to use, you can click on this and click on next. Now you can join or not, it's your choice. I don't want to join like this, so I'm clicking on next. If you want to clear, take an desktop shortcut that will appear in your desktop, then just click on next, and I will click on install because by default it selected all those things, so not required anything. This is for Windows only because it is so simple to install in a software, simply like different software that we are installing. But in Linux we will see in my next video how to install the VMware Workstation 16 on a Linux machine. So as you can see, we already checked that box, and here it came that one shortcut icon. After installing this, we can directly access the VMware from there, not going any other location. Just we need to click on this, double click on it, and it will open. It will take some time to install. Till then we can wait. We have to wait. Yeah, the installation process is finished. I'm clicking on this finish icon. You can restart. Yes, you must restart the operating system, then after it will open. So I will not click yes, so I'll click on no right now. After that we can reboot the system later, but now I am double clicking on this. So this is a non-commercial use, so I'll continue, finish, and here it is. The welcome screen came like this. Okay, so I hope you understand this, how to install this simple process. We will see how to create a virtual machine inside a VMware in my next video. Till then, goodbye, have a good day.